Product number 1, Mahjong Mat for Table 33 x 33 inch. Let's start with this 33-inch blue Mahjong mat. When I first unrolled it, I really liked that it laid flat almost immediately. There were no annoying creases to fight with, which can be a pain with cheaper mats. The material is neoprene, feeling a lot like a thick mouse pad. This is great because it seriously dampens the sound of the tiles. I did a few aggressive shuffles to test the noise reduction, and it made everything much quieter, which is a huge plus if you play late at night. The anti-slip backing is solid. I tried pushing it across my dining table and it didn't budge at all. I also accidentally spilled a bit of water on it during testing, and it wiped right off without soaking in. It comes with a carry bag too, so if you already have a table but just need a better surface to take to a cafe or a friend's house, this is a fantastic portable option. Product number 2, Yellow Mountain Imports Table Cover. Moving on to the Yellow Mountain Imports mat. This one is slightly smaller at just over 31 inches, so make sure you measure your table first before buying. Unlike the neoprene one I just showed you, this uses a synthetic fiber top. It feels a bit more traditional, almost like a classic felt, but it feels more durable. I noticed the tiles slide really smoothly across this surface, which makes gameplay feel faster and snappier. The rubber underside does its job well. It grips the table tightly so the mat doesn't bunch up during play. I also appreciate the roll-up design. When I was done, I just rolled it up and tossed it in the bag. You have to be careful not to fold this one though, or you'll get permanent creases. If you want that classic green aesthetic and a surface that protects your dining table from scratches while keeping the tiles quiet, this is a solid pick. Product number 3, Queencell 35 Folding Game Table. Now, if you need an actual dedicated table and not just a cover, I tried out this Queencell folding game table. Setting it up was super easy, just fold out the legs and you're good to go. It's significantly heavier than your standard flimsy card table, which I love because it doesn't wobble when someone gets excited and slams a tile down. The top is a hard HDPE plastic, but what's cool is that they include a double-sided mat with it. So you get the sturdy table and the soft playing surface in one package. The height is about 27 inches, which felt comfortable for sitting in standard chairs. My favorite part is just how stable it feels. The heavy-duty legs lock in place really well. This is the best option if you don't want to take over your dining table every time you play. It's sturdy, reliable, and having the dedicated space makes game night feel way more official. Product number 4, Turquoise Mahjong Mat with Lotus Artwork. Okay, purely on looks, this turquoise lotus mat wins hands down. When I pulled this out of the package, the artwork was stunning. It really adds a nice zen vibe to the game. It's about 32 inches square and made from natural rubber. It feels a bit denser and softer than the others, which made picking up tiles and chips really comfortable on my fingernails. I was honestly a little worried the paint might chip or fade with all the friction of shuffling, but after several games, it still looks brand new. The texture provides just enough grip so tiles don't fly off the table, but they still glide when you need them to. The non-slip backing is excellent, keeping everything stable. If you care about aesthetics and want your game set up to look beautiful, maybe for hosting a fancy game night or tea time, this is the one to get. It's basically functional art. Product number 5, Flash Furniture Sila's Folding Card Table. Finally, I checked out the Flash Furniture Sila's table. This is a full folding table, and the first thing I noticed were the built-in cup holders. Honest truth, that's a lifesaver. I'm always paranoid about spilling drinks on the tiles, so having a dedicated spot for my soda was great. The green felt surface is built right into the table, so you don't need to buy an extra mat. It grabs the cards and tiles well, stopping them from sliding off the edge. It also has these little lips or holders for your cards, which helps keep things organized if you switch to poker later in the night. It holds up to 220 pounds, so it's incredibly sturdy. If you host 4-player games often and want a dedicated station where people can drink and play without making a mess, this table is the most practical choice. It's ready to go right out of the box.